Friday afternoon, on-demand storm tracker forecast. Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurt checking in with you around 1:15 p.m. here on your Friday. Wind gusts are getting back up there around 20 to 40 to 50 miles per hour. Those winds will become very strong as a cold front is approaching from the north-northeast, and surface winds could see peak gusts roughly between 40 and 50 miles per hour, but your wind-prone areas could see winds much stronger overnight into tomorrow morning, but it shouldn't be quite as windy tomorrow, although there will be some pockets of snow. So here's the setup. We have basically a high-pressure ridge off the coast and a very strong northwesterly flow. So this storm system is digging into the trough, but this cold front will also be pushing back towards the south and west, and that will make up an interesting weather scenario for tonight into tomorrow. So first, it's bringing in strong gusty winds. Secondly, it'll bring some early evening rain showers that'll change back over to snow. So snow accumulations are likely for the valleys and mountains, especially in this area highlighted, which does include roughly southwest Montana east of the divide. There's a winter weather advisory with the exception of Beaverhead and Madison counties, but still valley snow and mountain snow and gusty winds and wintry travel setting up for tomorrow. So the winds are mainly a concern this afternoon into this evening. Butte Blackfoot region under a wind advisory through 9 p.m. tonight. You might see peak gusts around 40 to 50 mph. Livingston, you're under a wind advisory through tomorrow morning. Peak gusts around 60 miles per hour. So here's the setup. We got a cold front moving in, and again, rain changing to snow, and that front is roughly going to be sitting over Butte, Bozeman, and Billings in the overnight, early in the morning hours. Now, you can see the model showing a fairly broad area of snow, roughly from Billings to Bozeman to Butte to Missoula to Helena. That's the area of greatest concern for your Saturday morning. Lesser impacts for Beaverhead and Madison County, but as you go through the day, we're still picking up these scattered snow showers all day long. And then here comes a new system as we get into Sunday. That brings another reinforcing shot of snow. Forecast models, the latest run, a little aggressive in my opinion. It's a little on the high side, but it does emphasize a couple of things. First, the biggest area of snow is roughly going to be here. Lesser impacts down towards Dillon. But you can see Boulder, 8 to 12 inches. I think that's awfully high. But I think most valleys like Anaconda, Butte, Bozeman, Livingston will be in that 2 to 4 inch range. So Bozeman, when you look at the model spread, it gets a little more clustered around that 2 to 4 inch range. And for Butte, around 1 to 2 inches possible, I think, out of the storm system. But this will bring some icy roads, and that's the bigger concern, regardless of how much snow we see. So the 24-hour forecast, more wind and rain changing to snow tonight, and we'll find some off and on rain or snow showers Butte tomorrow and cooler in Bozeman. It should be quite an interesting day tomorrow. We might see our first round of valley snow tomorrow morning and off and on rain and snow tomorrow afternoon.